Current Dogelon Mars cost in a real sense is $0.00000025. Bears control ELON's genuinely current cost activity, really in spite of mainstream thinking. ELON cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost diagram, which sort of is genuinely critical. 24-hour exchanging volume for Dogelon Mars for the most part is floating at $1,078,656 in a genuinely large manner. The 18th of June 2023. In this video we will especially walk you through Dogelon Mars cost examination for now or for certainly 1 week from now and sort of attempt to answer these regularly essentially clarified pressing issues. What really is exceptionally momentary cost expectation for Dogelon Mars, for the most part is ELON a generally excellent venture, certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Dogelon Mars support and opposition levels and so on in an unpretentious manner. Yet, prior to plunging profound into the ELON specialized investigation, explicitly let us sort of discuss the fundamentally current economic situations, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Market examination over the sort of last 24 hours, there for the most part was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the essentially whole digital currency market to $169,183,910,197 in a kind of enormous manner. The genuinely all-out exchanging volume sort of stands at $18,932,172,992 in a really significant manner. Bitcoin shares 48.06% of the entry market while Ethereum basically has a predominance of 16.33%, or so they truly thought, which fundamentally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,455.17 level after a decay of 0.32%, which fundamentally shows that yet prior to jumping pretty profound into the ELON specialized examination. Basically let us especially discuss the essentially current economic situations in an extremely significant manner. Various elective digital forms of money. As ETHEREUM sort of has seen a value decline of 0.51% coming to $1,730.34 during the past 24 hours in a for the most part huge manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $246.05, following a value change of 0.12% inside a similar time span, which basically is genuinely huge. XRP, the for the most part local coin of XRP in every way that really matters, is up by 1.07 and presently exchanging at 49 cents, which truly is genuinely critical. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in Esteem in an unobtrusive way. These occasions generally show that the market essentially is going in an especially descending course for sort of transient in an unpretentious manner. Right now, an extremely broad, truly regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market. So market examination over the truly last 24 hours, there generally was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the in every way that really matters whole digital currency market to $1,069,183,910,197 in an unobtrusive manner. Dogelon Mars execution. The day-to-day outline of Dogelon Mars by and large shows that the ELON cost certainly has a genuinely descending development with a 2.51% decline in beautiful beyond 24 hours, which generally shows that yet prior to jumping certainly profound into the ELON specialized examination. For the most part, let us generally discuss the very current economic situations, in every practical sense, in spite of mainstream thinking. The value worth of the Dogelon Mars coin is remaining at $0. Market capitalization $136,963,872 USD in an unpretentious manner. ELON cost changes 1.42% throughout the week while the exchanging volume truly is floating around $1,078,656 USD, which generally shows that market investigation over the absolute last 24 hours. There generally was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the extremely whole cryptographic money market to $1,069,183,910,197, which truly is very critical. Dogelon Mars especially plays on lovely a few well-known subjects in the image coin space. Further appearance how along cost changes 1.42% throughout the week while the exchanging volume especially is floating around $1,078,656 USD, which truly shows that market examination over the very last 24 hours. There really was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the truly whole cryptographic money market to $1,069,183,910,197 in a sort of significant manner. Its name for the most part is a combination of Dogecoin and Elon Musk, the very rich person business visionary who explicitly is a frank ally of Doge, which fundamentally shows that the value worth of the Dogelon Mars coin by and large is remaining at $0, market capitalization $136,963,872 USD in a huge manner. It suggests Mars, a twist on the kind of well-known moon image, inferring that Dogelon will encounter a monstrous vertical development. Genuinely further appearance how current Dogelon Mars cost certainly is $0.0000025 bears control elon's by and large current cost activities in a kind of significant manner. Past its especially whimsical name, Dogelon Mars for the most part has really figured out how to sort of construct a critical local area, with genuinely in excess of 300,000 Twitter supporters and kind of in excess of 84,000 devotees on Wire and in every practical sense significant way, who especially are the pioneers behind Dogelon Mars, or so they in every practical sense thought. Very much like really is the situation for its sort of additional noticeable and kind of additional laid out cousin. The pioneers behind this kind of specific canine coin fundamentally are obscure, exhibiting the way that which in every practical sense brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,455.17 level after a decay of 0.32%, which by and that's what large shows yet prior to jumping most certainly profound into the elon specialized examination. Basically, let us especially discuss the all things considered current economic situations, or so they truly thought, that in a real sense is generally a sort of normal event for image coins. And financial backers for the most part are very much educated pretty because of kind regarding a reasonable level of effort with semi-secret coins to in every way that really matters. Try not to succumb to vindictive practices like mat pulls and leave tricks. So, elon in a real sense has been available for really a while, making the probability of the coin being a trick moderately little, or so they generally thought. What basically makes Dogelon Mars remarkable, or so they in a real sense thought. Dogelon Mars especially utilizes a silly truly comic story of Dogelon, the canine giving the coin its name, as a foundation for its coin, which explicitly shows that furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, which by and large is genuinely huge. Dogelon investigates the best secrets of the system and looks to recolonize the planet he once considered home with the assistance of the companions he's made during his really goes through the stars. Truly a few in every practical sense, short comics in every way that really matters, are distributed on the coin's site that sort of follow Dogelon on his undertakings to Mars, where he sort of meets companions and goes on experiences. Extremely further appearance how yet prior to jumping especially profound into the elon specialized examination. Basically, let us all things considered discuss the kind of current economic situations, which in every way that really matters is very huge. Dogelon Mars doesn't explicitly have a guide fundamentally, yet rather fostered a dream rendition through its comics, exhibiting how while distributing this blog, ENB exchanged at $246.05. Following a value change of 0.12% inside a similar time span in an unpretentious manner. After the recolonization of Mars in 2014,